Hello everyone, in the last video we have given the ceiling for the building. Okay, we have given the ceiling and we have given the wall lamps. Okay, so in this video we will be giving the ceiling lights. That means we will be giving the lights for this, and next we will be adding the floor also. Okay, so for that to add the floor, and let us select this ceiling and let us give it as the door level, so that we will be adding the slab on this top. Okay, so for that purpose click on here levels, click on here the door level, next click on this apply here. So it will be applied at the door level here. So here you can clearly see, so the door level at the upper surface at the door level it has been given. Okay, so next on this we will be adding the lightings. Okay, after adding the lightings we will be adding the slab. Okay, so for that let me go here in the slab level. So here you cannot see that one, so let us go here in door level. So here we will be containing the different thing. So here I am selecting this floor, and let me edit this so that here the for the staircase the walkable will be the good. Okay, so for that click on here draw command. Let me first click on this edit surface, edit boundary. Okay, select this and let me move it. Okay, so here I am moving it. Okay, after moving it, next let us click on this right mark here. Okay, after clicking on the right mark we can view this in 3D view. Create option, create in 3D view here. So in 3D view we will be able to see. So here you can clearly see that for the entrance and exit the staircase has been given for good. Okay, next we will be adding the lights here. Okay, so for that purpose let us go here in door level. Okay, after going in the door level we have to go here in architecture. For that let me go here in architecture, and after selecting the architecture click on this component here, click on this next click on place component. After clicking on the place a component we have to go here in edit type, and clicking on the edit type we have to duplicate it and rename it as ceiling lights. For that let us giving it as ceiling lights. Click on OK here. Next click on this load components here. After that click on this lighting, click on this architectural, next click on this internal. Okay, so here will be containing different kinds of lightings, for which I am selecting the ceiling lightings. Here the spotlight also will be containing. Okay, studio light, table lamp. Here we will be containing different kinds of lights. Okay, so here I am selecting this ceiling light linear or ceiling light flat round. So for that here I am selecting this flat round. Okay, next let us here you can see it will be visible. Okay, so next let us clicking on this OK option here, click on this cancel here. Okay, after that click on here, and from here you can select this ceiling light. Okay, here you can see this kind of ceiling light will be given. Okay, so for which here the for ceiling light the elevation I am giving it as 9 feet. Click on that. So here you can see. Okay, so we will be giving the different kinds of lightings here. Okay, so I am placing it one here, placing it here, placing it here, placing it here, placing here. So here also we have been placed. Okay, in the same way let us add this lighting in the kitchen also. Okay, so for that click on this here, click on here, next click on here, and next click on here. Okay, after adding it we have to give it in the dining hall also. So for that I am giving it here, and next here, same way here, the same way here. Okay, after that give here, 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 and here. In kitchen also let us give here. I am giving it here. Okay, after giving this all of those lights, okay, so all of the lights have been given. Click on escape option here, click on view option, click on 3D view. Let me save the project here. It will be visible in 3D view. So here under which here the lights have been given, that means the ceiling lights have been given. Okay, so for that if you want to see the lights, so I will go here and I will render this view. Okay, so for that let me go here in 3D view, click on this camera option here. From here onwards I am giving here this direction. Okay, next click on this realistic option here. Here you can clearly see the lights have been given here. Okay, so here the lights have been given. So in the same way in different directions we will be containing different types. Okay, so before that let me rename it. Rename it and let us give it as a hall. Click on OK here. So I am providing here hall so that in the next time if you want to view this one we can clearly view this type. Okay, we can easily go here and click on this hall type. Okay, so and our next step is that we will be adding the floor option here. Okay, so for that let me go here in ground level again. Okay, this is a ceiling plan. Go here in ground level. After going in the ground level, what you have to do is we have to add the roof here. Okay, so for that go here in architecture and click on this roof option here. Next click on this soffit option here. So here I am giving it as the slab level. Click on yes option here. Okay, and next click on this edit type, click on duplicate and rename it as a slab slab, click on OK option here, and next click on this edit type, click on here, and I'm giving the thickness as 6 inches. Okay, 6 inches. Click on enter here. Next click on the material here. After clicking on the cherry, we have to give here the material whichever you want. So here I am normally giving the concrete here. So click on done option here. Okay, next click on, after clicking on the done, click on OK here, click on OK here, and next let us click on this OK. Okay, here it has been given for the slab. Okay, so for that let me give a slab directions. So I am selecting here the boundary lines. So I am giving the slab layer for whole of this one. Or else let me give from here to here only. So in the same way give here also. So give here, giving here, so let me edit this. So from here to here I am going to edit it. So let me drag this to here. In the same way. Okay, here the slab have been created. Next click on this mode, click on this right mark option here. Okay, so let us view in this 3D view. Click on this 3D view here. Let it be loaded. Here you can see the floor has been created, but it's having too much thickness. So for that, click on this edit type here, and I am giving here the thickness as 6 inches. Sorry, I have given the 6 feet. So here I am giving it as 6 inches. Click on this OK option here. Click on apply. So next click on OK here. So here you can see the concrete floor has been given the thickness of 6 inches. Okay, so before that let me give this wall minimum distance. So for that top constant will be the at the window level. Click on this apply option here. Or else let us give it as which I am giving it as door level. On apply option here. So here you can see the wall has been given. Okay, so our next step is that after adding the floor row we have to cut this section so that it will be clearly visible to us. So for that, after clicking on this floor, double click on this roofs of it. So click on this edit boundary here. Okay, after clicking on the edit boundary, we have to go in this ground level so that our structure will be easily editable. Okay, click on this edit boundary here. option, click on this right mark here. Next let us view in this 3D view. Here you can clearly visible how it can be done. So here you can see. So here you can see that the clearly we have given that one. Okay, so in the next video we will be doing all the finishing work, etc. Okay.